Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how many requests can you make to ChatGPT. So basically, at first, just go to your ChatGPT app or your ChatGPT browser. Now in the ChatGPT, if you don't have the ChatGPT 4 version, you will have a limited amount of requests. It is basically around 50 to 70. Let's type here. Now as you can see, if you are ChatGPT Plus user, it will offer you with benefits like faster responses time and priority access to new features. But if you are only using ChatGPT, it will give you around like 50 or maybe up to 80. So guys, that's the amount that you can make requests to ChatGPT. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.